everyone, it's Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a look that is a little bit more festive with some wearable like shimmer. I feel like the way that 2020 has gone, we all need a little bit of festive in our lives. In this video, I have partnered up with Ana Luisa again. I've worked with them in the past. I love their jewelry. They make incredible, trendy, but like classic looking pieces. And I wanted to let you know that they are doing a huge sale right now. It's their 2020 holiday sale. It's the biggest sale of the year. This sale started on December 2nd and it's going all the way to December 26th. So if you do want to get something for yourself for the holidays, then this is a really great time, but it is also a great time to get some Christmas gifts as well. I know everybody would love to get jewelry. I always do. The sale right now is buy one, get one 40% off and a free travel case with orders over $150 US. So it's a really great thing. I actually really want their travel case so bad. It's so cute. It's also perfect because during the sale, they have ready to gift boxes. You can do personalized notes, and they also have fast worldwide shipping so you can get your gifts in time to give them to your loved ones or yourself. They always have a 365-day warranty to refund or replace the jewelry in case it doesn't meet your standards, but it is extremely long lasting. They are made sustainably. So they are a carbon neutral company, which is just another huge reason why they're one of my all-time favorite brands. So check them out. I will have a link in the description box below if you want to see how I did this simple holiday wearable glam makeup look. Then just keep watching. First, I want to share some of the pieces that are new to me from Ana Luisa. Not only is their jewelry sustainable and long-lasting, it's also affordable. One of my favorite pieces that I have now from them is the Buffy Ear Cuff. I love the twist detail. I think it's so cute. It pairs really well with these bold Huggies that I got. The smaller ones are also from Ana Luisa that you might have seen from my last video. I'm obsessed with the rope slim ring. They also have it in the bold version, but I love the smaller size of this one. It goes with so many things, and especially for the holidays, I think that their jewelry is amazing. So starting out, I am priming my face. I will use a priming moisturizer from Cake Beauty. This is mostly just to moisturize my face, make sure everything is going to be like a smooth canvas. And then I'm also using this Redness diffusing primer from Smith & Colt. This actually gives you a really pretty glow, so I thought it would be fun to use for a holiday look, for whether you're gonna be doing a Zoom holiday dinner with your family or if you're just gonna be celebrating at home by yourself. Honestly, you can look glowy and festive no matter what you're doing. So I thought this was a nice base. I like to conceal before I do foundation. It's just something I've been doing for years. I love the Clean Fresh concealer from Covergirl. It is now vegan. It is a cruelty-free company, and this is a really great lightweight concealer. I don't like using anything too heavy, so I've really been enjoying using this one. And of course, it is their clean formula. I love that companies are becoming more conscious of the ingredients that they're using and how they're affecting the world. So the other product that I will be using to conceal underneath my eyes and anywhere to brighten up is the Kosas concealer. I've talked about this before in videos. Big fan. It is a really great consistency, especially if you have dry skin or like dry patches, because I don't find that it really clings to them and accentuates them. I do have pretty dry under eyes, so I like to use this here. I'm using a brand new foundation. This is the Ilia True Skin Serum Foundation, and honestly, I think it's my new favorite. The color is perfect for my skin. I will leave all of the shades that I use of things, as well as links to everything in the jewelry in the description box below. But this foundation is seriously so nice, especially for the colder months, because I don't know if you're like me, but my skin gets very, very dry and flaky in the winter, so I've been loving it. For powder, I'm using the Covergirl Clean Fresh powder, also talc-free, clean formula, vegan, all that awesome stuff. And I've really been enjoying using talc-free powders, not only because it's supposed to be better for you, but I like that it doesn't look cakey. I use the translucent one on that, and then I'm filling in my eyebrows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. This time I'm using the shade Taupe. It is a little bit lighter than the shade that I usually use, but I've enjoyed doing that lately. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows And if you watch my videos, you know this next product very well. It is the Essence Clear Lash and Brow Gel, and I'm just using that to set my brows in place. Now for eyeshadow, I decided to use a drugstore eyeshadow palette. This is the Swear By It eyeshadow palette from NYX, and it is one of my all-time favorite eyeshadow palettes in general. It's so nice, very creamy formulas in the eyeshadows, so it's very easy to blend and really easy to work with. And then obviously you have a lot of colors like you saw. I'm just using this kind of taupey light purpley shade all over the crease and kind of outer corners of my eyes and along my bottom lash line. I've been drawn to these kind of colors lately because it kind of brings out the green tone in my eyes. So if you have green eyes or like any green in your eyes, then this is a great tutorial for you. Next, I'm using this antique gold shimmery shade all over my entire lid. I do actually end up covering this up because I wanted something darker, but this is just what I did. I just wanted something different. So I'm just packing that on to the center of my lids, and now I'm taking this darker kind of cool tone brown, and it is matte, so I'm using this just to kind of create some more shadow and definition to my eyes. I'm using this in my crease and like a lot more on the outer third of my eyes, and I will be blending this out some as well. And also, if you know my videos, I like to have my eyeshadow in a like winged out kind of shape. I just think that's what flatters my eyes the most. And I'm blending around where I added that lighter shimmery shade onto my lid as well, because like I said, I will be covering it up with a darker shade. And then I will also use some of that darker brown and add it to my bottom lash line because I want it to look a little bit smokier. But like I said, this is like a very subtle, very wearable holiday look, and it's what I would do if I was going to a holiday party, whether it's virtual or not. So this is the shade that I decided to go with. It is a darker, same kind of like antique brown, but just darker. And I'm using my finger to apply it to my lid because I will get more pigment that way. And I'm just going to add a little bit of that to my bottom lash line on the inner half as well, so that it looks cohesive. And to finish off the eyeshadow, I will be doing a smoky dark brown cat eye. It's super small, very easy. I love doing cat eyes with eyeshadow. I think it is so easy, and it adds just a little bit of extra definition to your lash line without having to do like a full-on liquid liner. I just really enjoy it, but you can do liquid if you want. Obviously, this is something that I started doing more so recently, is curling my lashes. I used to never do this, but I've really been enjoying it. And then I will use a mascara. This is the Covergirl Lash Blast Clean Mascara. This is their new clean formula. So this was actually the very first time that I used it, and I loved it. It is such a good formula. It's a really great brush. I think it's the original brush, but it builds so easily on your lashes, but also separates them and like adds volume at the same time. Honestly, I think it's my new favorite mascara. Like, so good. Definitely go get that. I'm using another brand new product to me. This is the Lawless Velvet Matte Bronzer, and it is another like clean formula. So this was also probably my new favorite bronzer. I was using a lot of new products in this video, and I was not disappointed at all. It blends out so well. I think they have one other darker shade, but this is the lighter one, and I think it works perfectly for the winter. It just adds like a beautiful warmth to your skin. And for blush, I'm using a blush from Ulta. This is in the shade Pink Smoke, which is exactly what it looks like. It's a smoky pink color, and it is matte because I will be adding a very intense highlighter. It is way more intense in real life, so watch out. The highlighter that I'm talking about is from Stila. This is one of their like bouncy, I don't even remember what the name of it is, but it's like a bouncy kind of formula. And I'm using this on like literally every high point of my face that I want to highlight. And it's so pretty. It gives that wet highlight look, and I am obsessed with it for festive looks such as this one. Inner corner of the eye, literally everywhere that I could put it, it went. It's such a nice highlighter. And what? I literally just tried to say, and last but not least. Wow, I've been talking a lot in this video. This is a new product, once again, from Fenty. And now I have to attempt to say the name of this lipstick. It is the Slip Shine Sheer Shiny Lipstick in the shade Makeout Break. And it's very subtle, but it looks pretty. It's got like shimmer in it, so it looks nice in the light. But that's all I did. I wanted to keep it very simple, and that's what you got. So I hope you like it. Alright, that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you thought and if you are going to be checking out the 2020 holiday sale from Ana Luisa. I will again have the link in the description box below, so definitely check them out. I'm obsessed with all of the jewelry that I got from them. I am still wearing some of the stuff from my first video that I did with them. I wear their jewelry literally every single day, so I'm a huge fan. I think you will be too. So definitely check them out, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day, and if not, I hope tomorrow will be even better, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!